If you are a graphic designer, photo editor, or an artist, you're in for a treat. Today, we'll be discussing Photopea, a fantastic free Photoshop alternative that's taken the design community by storm. Created by Ivan Kutzker, this web-based application has been making waves among graphic designers, photographers, and hobbyists alike. It packs a punch with its impressive range of features and capabilities that rival the industry-standard software we all know. The best part? It's entirely free to use. So, if you're on a budget, then this is your go-to. Let's talk about the user interface. One of the things that sets Photopea apart is its intuitive and familiar UI. If you've ever used Photoshop, you'll feel right at home here. The layout, tools, and even keyboard shortcuts are strikingly similar, making the transition seamless. This makes Photopea perfect for beginners and experienced designers alike. Plus, since it's a web application, you can access it from any device with an internet connection, giving you the freedom to create on the go. Now, let's talk features. Photopea is a full-featured editor that won't leave you wanting more. It supports a vast array of file formats, including PSD, JPEG, PNG, and more. From basic photo adjustments like cropping and resizing to advanced tasks like layers and masks, Photopea can handle it all. The toolset is mind-blowing, featuring everything you'd expect from professional software. You can edit text, apply filters, retouch images, and even work with vector graphics. It's like having a miniature Photoshop in your browser. But wait, there's more. Photopea also comes with a plethora of smart tools and features that streamline your workflow. From the pen tool, auto-select tool, and even the content-aware fill, this software has everything. And let's not forget about the non-destructive editing, allowing you to make changes without permanently altering your original artwork. Now, we all know that using a new design tool can come with a learning curve. But fear not. Photopea has an active and supportive community that offers tutorials, tips, and tricks to help you get started. Moreover, Ivan, the creator himself, actively listens to user feedback and regularly updates the software with new features and improvements. You're not just getting a great tool, you're joining a thriving community of passionate designers. If you are a beginner content creator, then this can be a really budget-friendly option. But a content creator also needs access to a powerful video editor. Click on this video right here to see my top 5 free video editors for PC. I'll see you next time. Keep watching Digispace.